What's up, guys? Tyler at RC Madness. We got another first delivery today. Unboxing coming from Horizon today. Losi Tenacity DB Pro. Kind of a spin off an older car. This platform has been out a while. A couple different renditions. This is the latest update. We'll go ahead and open it up, show you guys, go over the box real quick. We got some updates, some new electronics. We're gonna go over, what I see differently about some stuff. So we'll go over the front of the box here. I'm gonna pan you guys down here. So on the front of the box, we got the car. This is the Lucas Oil car. Not 100% sure which one we got. I believe we're coming in two schemes. All right, so we got a Fox one and a Lucas one. So we got a check on the black Fox one there. Looks pretty cool. Anyway, back to the front. The big thing with this car is going to be the new smart technology, new lineup of electronics that Horizon's coming out with to match their smart chargers and batteries. Kind of competing with the Traxxas ID stuff. What else we got? Looks like we got some kind of 2-year warranty. I'm guessing that's on the new electronics. 4-wheel drive. Say it's proven platform. Like I said, this has been out kind of loosely based off the SCTE when that first came out quite a few years ago, which is a pretty good truck from Losi. And cutting edge of technology with the Spectrum Active AVC, the steering stability setup. So big thing here is going to be the new electronics. I'm gonna flip it over to the side here. This is showing off the smart battery and charger setup, which we have too. I've used them before. Pretty good setup, pretty easy to use. Flip around to the back. Got a under the body picture of the Buggy. Well, we're gonna open it up and get more into that, so I won't spend too much time there. There's the motor and speed control. Not sure what size motor we're getting. Let's see. 4-pole 3150, so should have a decent amount of torque. 130 amp speed control, pretty solid. And we do have full metal adjustable shocks. See if there's anything on the other side. That's about it for the box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so you guys can see what we get. Like I said, this is gonna be the Fox truck. At least that's what's checked off here. Yeah, so we got the Fox truck. Guessing this is the controller, giving us some batteries. That's always nice. Hate getting home and not having any batteries. What radio we got? Looks like they're packaging this with the DX2E. So this is the basic radio here. Nothing too fancy. It gets the job done. All plastic. It's pretty basic for radios, but I generally don't have too much trouble with them, just from a mechanic standpoint. That's all that's coming in that box. I'll throw that aside. We got a manual tucked back here. So just your basic parts manual. And a couple tools, and looks like we got a different pinion gear here. I don't know if it's a bigger one or smaller one. Usually they throw the bigger one in the bag, usually for a little more speed, probably to get you that 50 miles an hour. And we got the truck itself. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out of the zip ties and take you guys off the tripod. We'll be right back. I'm back. We got the car unbuttoned here. Just a couple zip ties holding it in. So this is the Fox truck, black and white. The white and red rims. It looks really good. I'm loving the paint job with the red rings. A couple red accents on the roof and the wing. Really nice job on the paint scheme here. We'll do a quick look around the outside. Looks like we're coming with a nice roof light bar. We got the drivers, as we've seen before in the previous models. Tie rods, all adjustable metal tie rods. Full aluminum shock. The adjustable collar is plastic, but no big deal. It does have aluminum caps. Full CVD drive shafts. Pretty similar setup to what the SCT was and the DB Buggy. Look pretty good. I'll flip around and show the back real quick. Pretty much the same story back here. Looks pretty good. It does have a aluminum shock tower, I'm guessing in front and rear. Sway bars, all metal drive line. Let's see what we got going on underneath the hood. It is hinged here in the back. We have 2 clips in the front, and it just lifts up. And they do give you the retainers, so that's pretty nice. So hopefully don't lose those too quickly. All right, so underneath we got a metal center drivetrain. I'm not sure what's going on under here. I'm guessing it's probably a plastic spur center differential with a metal pinion gear, but it does have a aluminum motor housing, pretty thick too, probably 4 or 5 millimeter. Wired up pretty nicely. Spectrum 605 servo. Those are okay, but as usual, we'll probably switch them out. So we got the new Spectrum receiver here, so you can plug in all the sensors and hook your phone up to that DX2E with the module. So shock towers, pretty thick. They beefed those up since the last truck, which is nice because those black stamp ones like to bend on the previous models. So here's the new speed control. This is their new smart speed control. 2 to 3 cell. Don't know really anything about this one. This is the first one I have seen. It's 130 amp. Looks kind of like a Hobbywing. I know they've been using, Hobbywing's been helping them out in the past before, which I don't have a problem with. I like their stuff. Looking pretty good. Guess time will tell on that. We're coming with an IC5 connector. So we'll work good with the IC5 charger and battery setups. There's that new Spectrum motor. Said it was a 3150. Pretty good size can on my finger here. About your regular 550 can, 4-pole. Sitting on an aluminum chassis. Looks pretty easy to work on, not a lot going on in there. Should hold up quite well, a little metal drivetrain. Give it a look underneath. It's a stamped regular aluminum chassis. No holes in it this time. You know, some of the previous car had holes because they had a nitro version at one point. They got rid of the holes, that's good, keep some of the dirt out. Small bumper in the front. All in all, looking like a pretty solid truck. Today, the only thing I'd probably switch out would be the servo, but that's pretty much on every ready-to-run car. Suspension feels really good, very plush. Oop. Let's see. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, so all in all, looking like a pretty solid car coming out from Losi. I did not catch the price on this one. This is just the first delivery display model. But I'm sure it'll be in the 400 to 500 range. That's kind of where they've been sitting before, but don't quote me on that one. So yeah, guys, check it out. I'm sure Horizon's got a sweet running video on their website. We're gonna try to do a little run on it. I just gotta get some batteries of those plugs on it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.